Hare Krishna. I am Vara Krishnadas. I am here to present biology. I am teaching biology in this Bhaktivedanta Gurukul International School. I feel extremely privileged to present biology in simple method. See, basically, introduction to biology, we are learning. Biology is a branch of science. Science means knowledge. What is the knowledge? Learning some new techniques. So in biology, bio plus logy. Bio means life, logy means study. Study of life is called biology. So to define life is very difficult, but we can explain life with the help of different examples. Now see, in biology, we can see so many charts, so many models, and also with the diagrammatic representation we can present biology, and we can make students to understand what is the life. So in this universe there are so many, like number of organisms, that what I am telling, there is 8,400,000 species of lives are there. To understand all these 8,400,000 species of life, it's very difficult, but we can understand and also we can understand this biology by understanding the characteristic features of living organisms. What are the basic characteristic features? So with the help of these basic characteristic features, this biology we can understand in very simple way. Let's take example. From unicellular organism to the multicellular organism, we are telling biology basic preliminary word. It is in Latin, bio. From the branch of science is divided into two branches. Science, that is called, one is physical science, second branch is natural science. That natural science we treat as a biology or life sciences. In this biology, we are going to understand from one, that is a unicellular organisms, to the multicellular organism. What is the meaning of unicellular organism? One-celled organism. This is called unicellular organism. Take example of amoeba, paramecium, euglena. All these comes under unicellular organism. And what is a multicellular organism? Multicellular organism means organisms which are made of more than one cell. That is called multicellular organism. Take example of human beings. Take example of plants. These are the multicellular organism. Now here today I am going to give the basic introduction to the biology. So who is the father of biology? Aristotle is the father of biology. Now Aristotle given elaborate details in biology, which starts from cytology. In cytology, particularly study of cells is called cytology. Here what we are going to learn? Cytology, we represent what is a cell, who discovered the cell, and what is a cell theory, and then what is the typical cell structure with the help of diagram, and that is called eukaryotic cell, that is a prokaryotic, and plant cell, animal cell. There are different varieties of cells are there. In these cells, based on numbers, I told this unicellular and multicellular. And take example of this amoeba. Amoeba is a unicellular organism. These organisms also shows different types of characteristic features. For example, what are those characteristics? If we say organisms shows characteristics like growth, nutrition, respiration, reproduction, lifespan, these all characteristics coming under living characteristics. Living characteristics feature of organisms. Organisms which do not possess this life or living characteristics, those are called non-living organisms. Non-living organisms which doesn't show any growth, like this table, all these are simple, they can't show any growth. This is coming under organization of a cell, organization of a life. Then in organization, if we talk about the organization of an organism, take example first, what is a cell? Group of cells is called tissues. Tissues make organ makes organ systems, organ systems makes organism. Now from organism, there is a community, there is an ecosystem, there is a biosphere. In this biosphere, there is a 8,400,000 life species are present. So in these life species, we can go into, like in biology, we have a taxonomy, a branch of biology which deals with the study of classification of organisms. In this classification of organisms, how can we classify organism? Based on its characteristics. For example, if you take in plants, study of plants is called botany, and zoology, study of animals is called zoology. In plants, particularly based on flowering nature, plants is of two types. Number one, cryptogams and phanerogams. Phanerogams are the flowering plants, cryptogams are the non-flowering plants. And again there is an angiosperms, gymnosperms, again it divides into monocots and dicots. This is the classification. And then we are following Whittaker 5 kingdom classification. That 5 kingdom classification is number 1, algae, fungi, protozoa, and then protista and animalia. So this is the 5 kingdom classification. Whittaker is proposed. Come to this animals. In animals, animal's body is made of backbone. That is the presence of vertebral column, presence of notochord. This is called vertebrata. Organism which possess backbone, like example of humans. Humans can possess backbone. This is called vertebrata. Organism which do not possess vertebral column, these are called non-chordata or invertebrata. Vertebrata, invertebrata, there is a connective link that is called hemichordata is present. Now take example of invertebrata, total an animal kingdom. Invertebrata, in invertebrata again animal kingdom divides into different phylums. Take example of protozoa, porifera, coelenterata, platyhelminthes, nematihelminthes, Annelida, Arthropoda, mollusca. These are the invertebrates. After these invertebrates, there is an hemichordata, which are the connective link between the invertebrates and vertebrates. And come to the vertebrata. In this vertebrata phylum, again it divides into 5 classes. Those classes includes, first, Pisces includes fishes, amphibians, reptiles, aves, and mammals. Under mammals, human beings are situated. Now, here this is the overall classification of organism. If you take one phylum, again one phylum represents one type of characteristic features. Those characteristic features, in coming classes, I am going to give elaborate details about study of biology. This biology we can learn with the help of, first we are giving a theory, then with the help of models, with the help of charts, with the help of experiments, I will come to you. So, we will give you clear information in biology. We will make this bio in very simple learning method, because right now we have so many problems facing, like take example of bio-war, already started about the coronavirus. In coming classes, I will give you the details about this coronavirus. It also comes under microorganisms. There we are going to learn about what are the different types of microorganisms, what are its characteristics, what are its structures, and in laboratory we are going to do so many experiments regarding these microorganisms. Before we know about the microorganisms in previous years, like first there is an HIV virus, human immunovirus, which causes AIDS, that already we are studying from class 10th onwards. And after this HIV, there is a SARS, severe acute respiratory syndrome. After this virus, there is an Ebola. Now we are facing a problem more about this COVID-19, that is called coronavirus. Thank you very much. For next coming classes, we are going to learn about one organism and its characteristics, how it plays a very important role in biology. Biology is a branch of science we are talking. So in biology also we are acquiring elaborate knowledge, but we'll give in simple method and we'll make this biology in every student in easy method and easy learning. Thank you for listening this class. Hare Krishna.